have a friend. She had a male friend who visited her daily and often took her out for the day. Become friends. They became friends after meeting at a party. Remain or stay friends. They remained good friends regardless of the bitter argument they had. Make friends. She finds it hard to make friends. Lose a friend. If we lose a friend, we have to change how we see ourselves in our life. Meet a friend. He arranged to meet a friend he had not seen for a year or two. Call a friend. If you can distract yourself during this time, go for a walk, call a friend, pick up a book, you'll often forget about the desire to eat. Bring a friend. People usually like to bring a friend to the party they are invited to. A friend of a friend. I met my wife through a friend of a friend. Somebody's circle of friends. After we were married, our circle of friends grew. Friend of mine or friend of yours. This evening we'll meet a friend of mine from Washington. Somebody's best friend. My best friend lost her husband recently. Close friend. We want to remain close friends with all of you. Mutual friend. He is engaged to a mutual friend of ours. Real or true friend. You are a real friend. I value your honesty. Faithful or loyal friend. Being a faithful friend is hard. Just be there for your friend whenever he needs you. An old friend. It was so relaxing to be among old friends. A lifelong friend. She became a lifelong friend of ours. Childhood, school friend. I don't know what my school friends are doing these days. We lost touch when we went to university. Family friend. In California, he looked up some old family friends. Just good friends. We're not in love. We're just good friends.